When it comes to this truck, we decided for a power plant, we're going all about LS. You know, this is a nice little LS motor we've got right here. It's pretty much your standard stock fare, but with a set of upgraded production cylinder heads. So the only question left is, what are we going to do for fuel delivery? Well, our friends at FiTech have checked that box for us.
Speaking of boxes, we've been opening up a pile of them to get everything laid out, and this is really cool, and we're going to kind of just briefly go over just about everything that we've got right here, and it all starts right there. I love it.
Yeah, that throttle body, I mean, it's got that classic look. It looks like a carburetor, right? It's got the gold plating finish to it, and it actually is a direct fit replacement for a 4150 carburetor, so it drops right in place. The nice thing about it, though, is not only does it have that classic look and feel, but it's got all the modern benefits you want out of fuel injection. So it's got all your sensors built in, integrated plug-and-play design, as well as an 80-pound fuel injector. So when you bolt this thing on, you know you're going to get fuel delivery you need for your application.
Part of having all of these upgrades is being able to monitor them and keep an eye on them, and you can do so with this big digital display. This is large. It looks great. And like you said, it's better than having a bunch of gauges all over.
Yeah, because there's so much stuff you want to monitor. You really can if you want to get into it. It gives you the opportunity to do so without having gauges all the way across your dash.
Another thing I really like is the ceramic spark plug boot. This is really perfect for high heat applications.
That's really heavy duty.
And they're unterminated, so they're good and long. So you can make it short and hook it to the coil right there on the top of the valve cover if you want to. Or if you want to hide all that and kind of route it around somewhere, you're going to have the availability to do that.
Yeah, you get that cleaner look. Now, also what's really important is having the right fuel pump, right? You want to make sure you get the right fuel delivered to this thing so it'll run right. And what we've got here with this kit is the in-tank fuel pump that has a regulator built into it. So all the guesswork is gone. And one of the things I always like about an in-tank fuel pump is going to run cooler because that fuel itself cools it off, which means it's going to last longer.
So here's the wiring harness, which is all in there, nice and labeled. I'm going to let you handle that, as I always do. And the other cool thing right here, the PTFE hose kit designed for the fuel. And it's got that lining on the inside that's designed to work with your modern fuels, even if they have ethanol in them. So you're not going to have to worry about ethanol breaking down any of the lines. So, again, there's a lot going on.
You know, the nice thing is we have easy access to the motor sitting here on the stand. So the final assembly is going to be pretty easy to do. And I say, before we drop this thing in the truck, why don't we run it on the stand?
I like that idea. So we got the FiTech system all hooked up. We're about, what, 40 minutes in?
Yeah, not bad at all.
To this point, okay. And had some plug wires laying around, and we went ahead and just plugged all those in. Now, that's not necessarily where everything's going to land, but we didn't want to cut everything up because we don't know where that's all going to end up yet, right?
Right, yeah. I mean, it's perfect for what we're trying to do right now, just to get the thing started. You know, we've got short leads here, and then as far as programming, all we did really was go into your engine setup and check two parameters. We've got the cubic inches set at 365, and then we dialed it in for the cam. Other than that, it's all the factory settings, and hopefully this thing should run.
Yeah, this is called hurry up, make it happen, turn it on, and then pat ourselves on the back.
All right, you ready to do it?
Yeah.
There we go. All right.
It likes you now. Not now.
Dude, that's pretty awesome, though,
Yeah.
bro. I mean, it sounds good.
It does sound good. So that's cool. All right, so here, the next thing is we got to get it off the stand and start getting it over into the truck.
Do we?
Kinda.
We put like in a go-kart or something.
You're like, celebrate the wins.